This battery-powered sprayer initially did not meet my expectations, but eventually worked as described, and here is why. The sprayer includes several accessories and a battery pack that the cover was difficult to close. The design appears okay and is almost entirely plastic. However, it is heavier than I thought, possibly because of the battery pack. I was finally able to close the battery pack cover with a hard smack. I powered the sprayer, added the nozzles, and the weed killer liquid, and powered it on. The backpack straps are the highlight of this product, as that was comfortable and made the device not as heavy. The con is the sprayer nozzle and wand. The wand connection was leaking everywhere when spraying. I attempted several times to tighten it, but it spread as it slid right off. After posting a review, the manufacturer contacted me immediately and even sent a video on resolving the issue. It turned out a piece was missing that I was able to locate in the shipping box. So I tightened the wand, which worked as described with no leakage. Overall, I did experience an issue initially, but I must say the manufacturer's customer support was above par for how they wanted to help resolve any problems with the product. Customer service goes a long way, and the product did work as described. Therefore, I rate this product 4 out of 5 stars.